Good morning, boys and girls. What we're going to do is we are going to do a mini lesson on unit fractions. So our objective, I can identify unit fraction. A unit fraction has 1 in the numerator. And if you remember from our lessons before, the 1 in the numerator is the top number. So here we have a couple of pictures of unit fractions. 1/2, 1/4, 1/7, and 1/16. So a unit fraction has a 1 in the numerator. 1/4 is a unit fraction. It names one part of a whole that has 4 equal parts. If you know the name of one part of the whole, you can count to name more parts of the whole. Look at the rectangle below. It has 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. The rectangle has 3 parts shaded. 3 1/4 is 3/4. Now this went back to our seesaw activity, and what a lot of you were doing where you were trying to add your denominator also. In fractions, when you're adding fractions, you only add the numerator. So if you had 4/4 shaded in, or 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, it would equal 4/4. And that is shown in the bottom here. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4. And 4/4 equals the whole number 1 because it is a whole. All right, so here we have a square and it is divided into thirds. So this first third is 1/3. Then we have another third. And then we have another third. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3. So if this whole square was shaded in, it would equal 3/3, or 3/3 always equals 1, because you have one whole that would be shaded in. All right, here we have a half, and we have 1/2 up here. And then we have 1/2 down here. So 1/2 is your unit fraction, and if you were to count by halves, you would have 1/2 plus 1/2 would equal 2/2. And the 2/2 would equal our 1 whole square. Okay? So any number over a number that is the same, like 2/2 equals 1, 4/4 equals 1, 3/3 equals 1, will equal your whole. So that's a little tip I have for you to remember as you're moving on through fractions, is if you have the same number over the same number, it's always going to equal your whole. And that's because if you add up the two fractions, the 1/2 and 1/2, it's going to equal your whole square. And another little tip as you move forward into 4th and 5th grade, when you're adding fractions, you only add the numerator, the top number. The bottom number always stays the same. Okay, that's it for our little mini lesson on unit fractions and wholes. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me, and we will be continuing working on fractions. Thank you.